Figures Graphing Tool is a powerful tool for visualizing mathematical functions. To graph a function, simply input any expression. When the graphing button pops up above the expression, click on it to open up an interactive plot of the function. If you wish to plot a function with the independent variable, like y, on the vertical axis, simply write an equation with y isolated on the left or right-hand side. Use two fingers to recenter the plot, or drag the margins on the left and bottom with one finger to rescale the axes. If the expression has multiple variables, you can pick which variable to plot on the horizontal axis by tapping on the currently selected variable. The remaining parameters of the expression are listed on the right side of the plot. Click on one of these parameters and use the slider to adjust its value. The plot will update immediately as you change the values, allowing you to visualize how these parameters change the function. You can do anything with Figures Graphing Tool, so go ahead and input your favorite equation and play around with it.